Did you know that over 4,000 years ago, ancient Egyptians were already practicing advanced medicine? They weren't just building pyramids, they were setting broken bones, performing surgeries and using herbal treatments still recognized today. In this video, we'll uncover 5 lost medical secrets from ancient Egypt that prove how far ahead of their time they truly were. Let's begin with one of the most astonishing facts. The ancient Egyptians performed brain surgery. Yes, you heard that right. They practiced trepanation, a procedure where a hole was drilled into the skull to relieve pressure or treat injuries. This wasn't done randomly. Evidence shows some patients survived the procedure as their skulls healed afterward. They believed illness could be caused by evil spirits, so surgery was often accompanied by spiritual rituals. Imagine that. A combination of science and spirituality thousands of years ago. Next, let's talk about broken bones. The Egyptians were skilled in setting fractures. They used wooden splints, linen wraps, and natural resins to stabilize injured limbs. They had tools made from bronze and obsidian, and they developed techniques that closely resemble what we use today. Some splints even had padding to reduce pressure points, showing they cared about the patient's comfort and recovery. These weren't primitive guesses. These were refined practices passed down through generations. Now on to herbal medicine. Ancient Egyptian doctors understood the power of plants. They used garlic as an antibiotic, honey to disinfect wounds, and aloe vera for skin treatments. Frankincense, myrrh, and castor oil were commonly used for inflammation, digestive issues, and more. Their most famous medical text, the Ebers Papyrus, contains over 700 remedies and prescriptions. Many of these herbs are still used today, in both home remedies and modern pharmaceuticals. But that's not all. The Egyptians also created a system of medical record-keeping. They documented patient symptoms, diagnosis, treatments, and outcomes. This wasn't just storytelling, it was structured observation. These medical notes helped doctors improve their understanding of diseases and even recognize recurring patterns. There were specialists for everything: eye doctors, dentists, even proctologists. It shows a deep respect for organized knowledge and professional roles in healthcare. One of the most fascinating secrets, primitive form of health coverage. While not insurance in the modern sense, temples acted as centers of healing, offering free treatment to people regardless of their wealth. Priests and physicians worked side by side, combining faith-based rituals with herbal and surgical care. These healing centers were sanctuaries for the sick, built on the belief that medicine should be both a physical and spiritual practice. That idea still echoes in today's holistic healthcare approaches. Ancient Egyptians believed the body was a sacred vessel, a temple for the soul. Keeping it healthy was a way to show respect to the gods. They even linked emotions and health, understanding that stress and fear could affect physical well-being. Modern medicine is only just beginning to reconnect with this ancient wisdom. So next time you think of ancient Egypt, don't just picture pyramids and pharaohs. Remember that this civilization helped lay the foundation for modern medical science, and some of their secrets might still hold answers for the future. Thanks for watching. Follow the Info Hub for more deep dives into ancient wisdom, forgotten science, and mysteries from the past. And always stay curious, because sometimes the past is smarter than we think.